Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Do you have a Briggs and Stratton 4-stroke lawn mower which won't switch off? Like this one I've got here, you either have to pull the spark plug boot or arc out the kill switch with the screwdriver to switch it off. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can repair that yourself. So to begin with, I'll start this one up and I'll show you how it won't switch off. So I'll just give it a prime and I'll give the handle a pull. So you can see there, this mower wouldn't switch off. Whilst I had the throttle in the off position, I had to come around and manually push the lever on the carburetor to the off position to actually get it to switch off. So let's get the air filter off and actually see what's happening, because I suspect it's a problem with the throttle cable. So just undo the top of that there. That'll take the air filter housing off. You can just pull that whole thing off, just like that. Now, straight away, when I look in here, I can see that there's actually a cable tie here, which is meant to be there, which is broken. Now what that does is that actually holds the whole throttle cable in and allows that to then push that mechanism on the carburetor all the way around. So for the camera, I'll just demonstrate what's happening with that cable tie missing. So this would be full throttle, and I manipulate the throttle to the off position up the top. Now you can see it hasn't come all the way around. But if I just push this in with my finger, you can see that comes all the way around and will actually short out the ground circuit for the mower. So let's pop a new cable tie on and see what difference that makes. So we simply want to get our cable tie and go around the input of the throttle body. Then we simply just want to pull it tight. Want to manipulate it to a position where it's not actually going to interfere with the air filter assembly going on. That's probably good enough. And maybe just rotate it around a little bit further out of the way like that, and we'll get our side cutters and we'll cut the excess off just like that. So now we can manipulate the throttle, and we can see that's coming all the way to the off position. So let's pop the air filter assembly back on and we'll test it out. So make sure you get the point coming back into the mower, just like that. And then we put our bolt in and simply screw that down. So let's give it a test start. So put the throttle to a start position, give it a prime, pull the handle. So there you go. Now by putting the throttle control to the off position, the lawnmower switches off. Now genuinely, I find that with most of these Briggs and Stratton engines, that is the actual issue with switching them off. If that doesn't solve your problem, you are going to have to go deeper. What you have to do is you'll take the air filter off, then you need to take the shroud off, and you need to find the earth wire that goes back to the engine, because that could actually be broken off. Alternatively, sometimes also what I've seen is this mechanism gets a little bit of dirt in there, because what that's actually doing is actually helping to short it out, and or you may have to bend that a little bit. But like I say, normally I find it's this cable tie there simply has broken over time. So if you have liked this video, do throw us a like, drop a comment below. We love reading through all the comments. And if you're interested in general DIY maintenance around the home or on the channel, you may also find maintenance and repairs of the Mercedes, the Audi, the Mazda 3 and the early Ford Falcon. If you're interested in any of that content, do hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a good evening.